In this video, we'll look at how to create a simple visual update in Canva, and then adapt it, so we can use the same design in different places. We're starting with a square design, because it works well across most platforms. It's a really useful starting point, when you're not sure exactly where something will be shared. In our example, we're creating a short visual message that gives people a simple heads up that something is coming. This kind of visual is useful for lots of everyday situations. For example, letting people know about an upcoming closure or perhaps a key date to be aware of. The idea is to keep the message short and clear, making it easy to understand at a glance, wherever it's shared. Now we can format the layout, adjusting things like font size, colors, and any simple graphics or logos we want to include. The key is to keep the layout clean, with plenty of white space, so the main message stays clear. As this design will be used online, we can add animation. Simple effects, like fade, add a bit of movement, without distracting from the message. Often, the same message needs to appear in a few different places. Instead of starting again, we can quickly resize the design, and make small adjustments, if needed. This same visual can now be reused, across different platforms, using the same core design. And that's how you can create one clear visual and reuse it wherever you need it.